ATCH stock analysis and ATCH stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. And as the only guy in the space that's done 46,000 videos in 5 years that it's taken me, I've documented what's working for me and what's not. For me, it began with a sell side prediction, which went almost halfway and then shifted. Even though if this would have been a taken trade, it would have been like a break even. But since it's pumping now, obviously I would shifting my analysis to the long side. You know, I'm not going to randomly buy or anything like that. But if I do see the price correcting down into my demand zone and giving me a shift, I would gladly look to take things up. I'm telling you, like, if it doesn't give me the confirmation, then I'm of course not going to buy. But if it does, then it's all good. With 2 receipts in the Discord, you know, I'm just waiting for a confirmation. That's it. I mean, running after a trade will just not be the way that I'll do it, because I've forced trades before and it has not turned out good, let's say. But if you want to get daily stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.